guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be all about a new facial device that I've been using for 5 days, but I wanted to unbox and share it with you and give you a demo. But this is the Nira skincare laser. Many of you probably have already heard about it or even own it. I know I've seen ads and everything like that. So I was doing some research and it's crazy because if you look at pictures or even other videos on YouTube of people using this laser, the results are crazy. I've been using this for 5 days, so I'm obviously not going to see results yet, but I'm really excited about it. So I figured I would unbox this, go over what it does, what its benefits are, and show you how to use it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and the notification bell down below. And without further ado, if you guys would like to find out more about the Nira laser, then just keep watching. So lately I've been becoming more and more obsessed with at-home skincare devices as opposed to going to a med spa and paying a ton of money. The thing is, with these at-home devices, you have to be regular with them, and I've actually been doing really good with being regular with the devices I'm using. This one's great because it's only 2 minutes a day. I mean, if you want to do other areas, it would be more, but 2 minutes a day, that's nothing. That's what I like about it. Some of these at-home devices, you have to do like 15 minutes a day, and it's like tiring and this and that. This is 2 minutes and you're good. And it also lets you know when to switch to the other eye. So that's what I love about it. But anyway, so this basically says it's a professional grade wrinkle reduction laser. It's pain-free and enjoyable to use. Redness-free with no erythema. Erythema is the redness that your skin can get after, microneedling or using any other devices. And I honestly really don't have much red at all, you guys. 2 minutes per day for great results, and same technology used by dermatologists. Now, I also want to say that this is FDA cleared. I don't think any of the other devices I'm currently using, I'm using a wide range of devices, not lasers, but other things, they're not, I don't think they're FDA cleared. This one is. So yeah, and again, the results that I was seeing from people is pretty crazy. Now, for years, my biggest insecurity has been my under eyes on my face. Whether it's the bags that I have, which are hereditary, and there's other factors that can go into it. I've had under eye filler. I've been getting it for I don't even know how many years now, but under eye filler isn't going to combat like any loose skin and wrinkles. It just helps to fill in the bags. So the bags or sagginess, the hollows, like I don't really have issues with it anymore because I have the under eye filler. But in terms of under eye wrinkles and the really loose skin under my eyes, no skincare product is gonna fix that in my opinion. And I could go and pay like, I don't even know, hundreds of thousands of dollars to get something else done. I've actually tried other things before in the past, you guys, and I just haven't really noticed a difference. So when I was researching this and I was looking at the results, I was like, oh my goodness, I want to try this. I can do this from the convenience of my own home. The only other option for me would be to get a blepharoplasty, and those are thousands of dollars, and that's like a very high scale surgery. They have to put you out. I don't think I'm about to do that, you guys. So in a nutshell, I was really excited to try this. So let me open it up. I also have the pamphlet to kind of like read about it, but this is the box that it comes in, and it's super simple. Sometimes when I get these devices, you guys, I get overwhelmed with the instructions. It's a long process. This is so easy to use, and it comes with very minimal parts. It comes with the actual laser itself, and then it comes with a charger. And what I like, and a plug, and what I like about it is that it actually says Nira on this plug, because I have so many different chargers for so many different items, and this I can quickly identify that this is going to be for my laser. So I do appreciate that they do that, but that's it. That's all that it comes with besides the instructions. So it's not like a lot of things to keep track of. And again, you guys, it's super, super easy to use. So before I show you how to use this, I just want to read a little bit about this because sometimes I'm not really good at explaining things. But it basically says that the Nira skincare laser provides lasting results to reverse the signs of aging in as little as 8 to 12 weeks using advanced dermatologist-tested technology. The Nira holds 11 patents, is FDA cleared, and clinically proven to deliver dramatic lasting results in as little as 2 minutes a day without pain, redness, skin damage, or downtime. And that's what's awesome. I've gotten radio frequency and microneedling before, and I've gotten other things where you have downtime. There's no downtime with this, you guys. You do it for 2 minutes, you're done. That's what I love about it. But basically, it's forcing your skin to produce collagen. This gets really hot, it heats up, like when you feel it, it feels warm when you use it, and it's basically forcing your skin to produce collagen. So in a nutshell, hopefully I'm making sense. So I just wanted to read a little bit about it. This is really simple to use. There's only 2 buttons. So this is the power button right here. And once it's powered on, I know it's gonna look really faint because of all my lights, but you will see it's like a green faint circle light. That means that it's on. And then there is 5 bars, and that's the represents the like levels or strengths of the laser. Now when you first start off, you probably want to start off at 1 or 2 or whatever you're comfortable with. I've seen girls in like videos where they just stay at 2 because they can't really tolerate 3, 4, or 5. I can tolerate a little bit more, so I will go to like 3 or 4, but again, it just depends on like what you're comfortable with. But in the beginning, I would probably start off at like the lowest level. You're still gonna see results, but it kind of just feels, I don't know, it's very quick. It almost feels like a little pinch, but again, I can tolerate it. Beauty is pain, but it's not painful, you guys. Like, I swear to God, I'm gonna do it on camera. It's not painful at all. I don't know if you guys can see, but right there, it shows you exactly where to place the laser. So you start closer to your eye, you go all the way to the outward part of your eye, and every single time you move the laser, you just want to make sure you're not overlapping where you were before, and then you go down and you do a whole second pass, and then you'll hear it beep, and then you switch to the other eye, and that's 2 minutes, and you're done. And you can also, you know, you can do it up here. You can use it for lifting and everything like that. There's like other YouTube videos with girls doing it. I just think this is super cool. I love how quick and effective it is. Okay, so now for the demo. I have a clean face right now. I don't have any makeup on other than mascara, but that's not really a big deal. You want to have a clean face when using the Nira laser. So I am going to turn this on right here, and I'm going to put this at level 3 for today. Again, depending on your comfort level, you can adjust this to be lower or higher. So I'm gonna go at 3 today because that seems to work for me. And I'm going to start right here and just demonstrate to you guys how easy this is. So I'm gonna start right here and then just move a little bit, and you just keep going. And you do 2 passes underneath the eyes. And then after a while, it's gonna make this weird noise. And that's how you know that you need to switch to the other eye. And it's that simple, you guys. It takes 2 minutes, and it'll make that noise if it didn't have direct contact with the skin. So you know you gotta do it again. And you can just keep going like that. And that's it. It's painless. It doesn't hurt. And it's just so quick to do. It takes 2 minutes a day. And what's really great about the Nira laser as well is that they offer a 90-day money-back guarantee. So I'm inviting you guys to join me in the 90-day Nira challenge. So I'm really excited to see what the results are, and I'll probably make a follow-up video. Again, I've only been using this for like 5 days or so. You do have to use this every single day to notice results. And then once you see the results, I think you can maybe limit it down to like a couple times a week. But again, I'm all for this. If I have to do this a couple times a week after I get my desired results, I'm totally okay with it. 2 minutes a day is fine with me. I'm just to the point where certain skincare products just aren't gonna cut it for me anymore, especially with the loose skin underneath my eyes and the wrinkles. Like when I smile, I call them like my whiskers. It's just not gonna do anything, you guys. So that's why I'm like stepping it up with this. Now, I don't have it, I forgot to grab it. This also comes with a hyaluronic acid serum, and that's what I wanted to mention. After you're done using this, put hyaluronic acid serum on your skin. It does come with, or I think you can either purchase it separately or it does come with it. But apply hyaluronic acid serum after you use it. But when you use this, you just use it on a clean face, and it's that simple, you guys. So I will have this link down below if you guys are interested. I would highly recommend it. I'm super excited to see what the results are. And again, it's just super easy. 2 minutes a day. You could do it from the convenience of your own home. And you could go to a med spa and get these laser treatments done and be paying hundreds of dollars every single time. So I wanted to share the Nira laser with you. Let me know in the comments down below if you've heard about this, if you've tried it out before, if you're thinking of trying it out. I'd be curious to find out. But anyways, that is it. I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.